Hi guys, my name is Taylor Dollins with MarineMax Dallas here in Louisville, Texas, and today we're going to be taking a look at a 2024 MasterCraft XT24. So taking a look at the interior on the XT24, I'll go over a few of my favorite features. One is going to be your cool fill vinyl. Hot days like today, it's going to stay real nice and cool out there. Coming on in the boat a little more, your Z8 tower, very easy to raise and lower whenever you need to. And then of course the MasterCraft dash, it's just real aesthetic, laid out perfectly, very user friendly as well. Working our way up to the bow, pickle fork nose, so super wide, a lot of seating, a lot of storage, and of course your cool fill vinyl up here as well. Alright guys, so again, my name is Taylor Dollins. This was an XT24. Thank you for watching. We'll talk to you soon.